Voulez-vous bouger avec moi, bitches?
Alright, you see today we expecting the first ever snowstorm, snow blizzard in New York City, shutting it down, shutting down the tri-state. The governor said he ain't want nobody on the road or none of that. So I'm gonna do this video real quick. It's 1 p.m. I want to show you what the car looked like at 1 p.m. when I just parked with the car hot, no snow on it. So this is what it looked like. I'm getting out of the car and I'm gonna pick this back up a few hours later. Alright.
Pull my dick out and watch it jump off. You make it so hard when it's all so basic.
Alright, right? This is what we're looking like. Alright, this is somebody who parked up here for a minute, so I want to see. We want to show you exactly what this shit gonna look like. Yeah. This is what the road's looking like already. Alright? So, Touch Up TV, that's how we doing this. New York City. Mad, look at the streets, look at the snow.